And it goes a little something like
Okay guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and unfortunately I went a little too heavy-handed with the dermaplane on my face, and I kind of am bright red. So as I'm healing, I wanted to give you guys something to watch because I've been missing you guys and missing filming. So I'm going to give you just an overview tour of my vanity. It is a DIY. I linked the videos in the description box that kind of inspired me and showed me how to do it. And I have to give credit where credit is due. My other half definitely was the crafty one that put this together, not me, so I can't take credit for that. But the videos that I watched are linked down below, as well as the items that you can buy. They're not affiliate links or anything. I wanted to show you guys, I just got this today in the mail. This is going to replace my small ring light. It's a soft panel light, so I can actually hold stuff up and you won't get the circle reflection on it. So that's pretty cool. It's by Neewer and it's digital. It's not plugged in or anything, but I don't know. I really think that this is going to take my videos like up a notch to the next level. We're going to start here. I'm not going to show my reflection. It's bad, you guys. It's so bad. And you can't tell that you're taking off too much skin when you're doing it until like afterwards. And then you're like, ah! So we're going to start over here. This shelf was custom built. I needed a place to put more palettes. And so my boyfriend made this for me. Down here I have my brush set that I haven't opened yet. Some extra skincare, just a couple palettes, my blush palette, my thing of perfume samples, my Lisa Frank palette, what is that? Oh, the Glamlight Royal palette, Stone Cold Fox, and the Jaclyn Hill. I said I wasn't going to go through everything, so I'm not. I just totally... Sorry. Okay. Bring it in, Crystal. On the next shelf, I have this perfume. I think it's from Aeropostale. It smells really good. This is a vintage bottle of Chanel perfume that was like my grandma's or my great-grandma's. This is the giant bottle of Mon Paris that I got for Christmas. 3 ounces is huge. This is that hair mist that came as a bonus, so that was kind of cool. One of my favorite perfumes there, the Black Opium, the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute, and then this is just an empty old bottle of Chanel that I thought looked cute. I put those on there before I had it overflowing with stuff. And then up here we have, of course, skincare stuff. Then down below, he installed this cool little light for me, so I have some backlight when I'm filming. And then down here we have a lipstick organizer. It just holds a lot of my mini stuff. Some more palettes of all different types. This one's actually not an eyeshadow palette. It's a highlighter and it's freaking amazing. It was a Christmas special. And I have these 2 little signs that I kind of interchangeably change just to make it look a little bit different. Up top is like a hot mess. I just have my deodorants on that side, a brush roll I've never opened, my Youth to the People backup skincare. This is all backup skincare like from subscription boxes, some candy I got for Christmas. And then we move down to this. These are some of my Glamlight palettes. They're kind of tricky to store, so I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna get like a basket and take them out of the box and like set them in there like they're food. I don't know. Then we have the Cake palette from Glamlight in the back. Again, a huge guy, not sure where I'm gonna store it. I like to keep, I like to keep my scrunchies on my Starbucks cup. I keep water in that. It's empty right now. And then these are some of my smaller palettes, mostly like ColourPop. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out storage for that. I did get a bunch of new containers. These are all from the Dollar Tree. These little drawers, this makeup thing. These are my favorite. I'm gonna put them in my drawers. They only had 3, so I keep checking to see if they get more. But there's these little baskets, everything, of course, $1. You get actually, I think, 5 or 6 of these little ones for $1. This is just a really old TV. It used to be my son's in his bedroom when he was a little kid. And I plug this in to the phone when I'm filming using the ring light there so I can see myself and make sure that I'm like in frame. Up here, it's just, this is all gonna be redone, but I got this cute little thing at the dollar store. I thought it was so cute. Just to remind me why I like keep putting out videos and I keep doing this, because I love it and it's a dream. And even though I know I'll never be like famous, like, don't give up on doing something you love. And it's really important to me too that I show my kids that I'm doing something I like and I'm not gonna give up. Back here, I am probably might lose subscribers for this, I don't know. I love watching Tana. I've watched her for years. I have the Tana is my daddy mug of Fanjoy. I don't think they make it anymore. And then these are just full of scrunchies. Down here, I've kind of organized this spinner to be mostly all like primers. And then like little sample packs and a tiny little bit of skincare there. And then of course like my brushes. And then down here, I just got this organizer for Christmas for my daughter. This is all like little sponges in the middle, all different foundations and foundation samples. These are just here because they don't have anywhere else to go. I get quite a few makeup bags between like free gifts at Ulta and Ipsy, so that's what these are all from. There's actually even bags inside of the bags. Okay, we're gonna pop down here. These drawers are from Michaels. They are currently on sale, I think for $69 or $59. I have 2 of them. Those are scratches on the wall, by the way. It's not dirty. I don't know what. I'm never down on the floor. They actually, I was looking and they have like a 3-star rating right now, but I'm pretty sure it's more from like user error and them not being able to put it together. My boyfriend had absolutely no problem putting it together and they work amazing. The bottom drawer here, oh man, I thought I organized it just a little bit. That's cute. There's like a hair sticking out there. This is like extra hair stuff in sponges drawer. So I got these She Glam sponges to try, just a bunch of hair ties, some empty boxes that I'm like so weird sometimes when I buy makeup, I don't want to throw away the box. Got this thing to do those cute little like double buns. This goes to something, a face cover. Got rubber bands, nail files, some more sponges. In this drawer, we have eyelashes. I decided I really liked these ones from Shein, and so I went and ordered like 4 more packs because I'm crazy. We have a backup of the Pretty Fresh foundation by ColourPop because it's one of my favorites. Some extra lash glue. These are eyeshadow shields I got off Amazon, super cheap. These are great if you're working like with dark shadows and you don't want to make a mess. Or you can use Scotch tape. Then we have some Lily Lashes Miami, another set back here. This drawer is so bad it won't even open. Hold please. Okay, so we have another drawer. The majority is lashes. So those are back here from the Glam Light chocolate set that I just got. There's 3 different lashes. These are, what are these? The Light Mink Goddess. These are one of the first pairs of lashes I got from Lily Lashes, but they're more like kind of natural style. These are ones that I got on Amazon. Just these different lashes. This apparently is brushes I didn't want to put above. Not sure what my thought process was there. And then at the beginning of summer, when Glamnetics like first was being advertised heavily on like Facebook and Instagram, I bought this kit. It has 3 styles of the lashes: Luxe, Lucky, and Livin'. I've used one time, and not because they're not easy to use, they totally are. And then I bought an extra of the glue liner, or magnetic liner, sorry. Right here, I just have some nail polishes. I wanted to be cool, so I bought a Chanel one. Some white strips for whitening my teeth. These are like my body like illuminator, and then the thing that I use to put like glow drops on my legs in the summer. Over here I have the Kiss magnetic liner and a pair of the lashes, and then this is just an extra brush like that one. Got them on Shein and they work awesome. They're only like $2 or $3. And this drawer is terrible. I got all these containers because I do plan to go through, declutter some stuff, and then reorganize because these are just terrible. So back here, these are all just highlighters. This is a Z palette that I got on Amazon. It just has a contour in it right now, but I have some stuff coming from Terra Moons that I'm going to put in there. These are all liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. These are smaller, like fuller lipsticks. These are bronzers and contour. Part of them are in another drawer. And these are like my cream or liquid bronzer products. Last drawer on this side. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I didn't think this would take as long. So we have the mascaras. Some of them you've seen in my mascara collection in Vlogmas. I have a problem with buying stuff, so do have some new ones in there and then some in another drawer. In the middle is all brow products and eyeliners. These are single eyeshadows or small eyeshadow palettes. These are just tools, eyelash scissors, curlers, thing for my contacts, a backup of my lip mask, some like glitter eye, all my glitter eye stuff, and then some more shadow shields and sponges. While I'm down here, I'll show you how the desk is constructed. This chair, I got at TJ Maxx. Still has the tag on it, because I don't know, the cats like to play with it. This is just a piece of plywood, and we painted it. I mean, he painted it. And then we got these shelf holders that we anchored into the wall, and those hold the main part of the desk. And then you can see the glass on top. I did order that from my local glass shop. You don't need that. I just wanted it for like ease of cleaning purposes. And then my mirror here was actually one we already had in the house. It was an old one that wasn't being used. I just cleaned that up and we used the little clips to put it up there. Oh my gosh, you can see me, see how red my face is. See, I wasn't lying, you guys. Oh my gosh. And then these Amir Vanity lights, they were only, I want to say like 14-15 bucks. I ordered them on Amazon and I have linked them below. On the top of the desk, I have the stuff that I use pretty much on a daily basis right now. Bunch of brushes, my smaller ring light, a mirror so I can see what I'm doing up close, sunscreen, dry shampoo, more brushes, gel liners, color switch, which is absolutely necessary, a fan because I get so warm. This box is Glossier. I just got it. It's the Skin Tint and the Stretch Concealer. I am super excited to test that out and let you guys know if it works on mature skin. I've heard great things about the concealer. The bottom shelf right there, we have empty perfume boxes and a variety of setting sprays and water in a can. I used to make fun of people that use water in a can, but that crap is awesome, especially in the summer. Over here we have my broken first ring light I ever got and some wipes for when I do swatches. Oh my gosh, I am like shaking. And some wall art that I need to put up. This is longer than I thought. We are almost done, you guys, I promise. So, in this set of drawers, bottom drawer looks like we just have some extra products. Of course, some boxes to things that I didn't want to throw the boxes away yet. An extra thing of the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. I love that. That's just the box to Lisa Frank. We have some backups of the Tarte setting spray because I love that stuff. In this drawer, I ordered that through BoxyCharm and it's amazing. I didn't think that I would use it, but now I can't live without it. These are all the Avants that we've gotten in the last year from BoxyCharm. And some sunscreen that was an Ipsy. And then I have this I ordered at Christmas time because it was on an awesome sale. And when I get monetized, I can buy a camera. I'm so excited. I've been filming, editing, all that on my phone. So that's just there to remind me to keep punching at it and working hard so I can upgrade my filming stuff. In this drawer, we have, again, backups of skincare. These are all like zip patches, eye gels, sheet masks. So a lot of these I got like in packs at TJ Maxx or came in subscription boxes. We have some backup Sunday Riley, another Glam Glow. I really like that stuff. Okay, you guys, this is where it's gonna get ridiculous. So, over here, back here, these are Pat McGrath on Black Friday, or right after Black Friday, had their Fetish Eyes mascara for 10 freaking bucks. It's regular 30 and free shipping. So I ordered a couple of those. And then what else is back here? Oh, and then Ulta, of course, had the $10. So I got Maneater and Perversion by Urban Decay back there. Those aren't even where the mascaras go because I'm going to, like I said, clean those out and just put new stuff in. These are all setting powders. And then my bronzer, one of my bronzer palettes, some more bronzers, blushes, more blushes, and the last drawer, dun dun dun. I don't know why I did that, dun dun dun. We have the Anastasia setting powder, a couple of the Glitterly Obsessed from ColourPop glitter gels. My favorite powder brush ever, it came in an Ipsy. I bought some backups on Mercari because it's my favorite. These are the Tarte Blushes, the holiday thing. There's 3 of them. Have a little pack of makeup wipes there for emergencies. I don't use them as a general rule, but sometimes you need them when you're out here. These are the Kylie Break Apart shadows. These are all like my tiny palettes. So my Hudas, I just got this one. I want to review for you guys from Too Faced. My Pumpkin Spice palette. My little Metalist ones. My Jelly Much shadows. We got color correctors back there. Some more palettes there. And then these are ColourPop blushes. So, let me see. Ugh, I can get up off the floor, this old lady. This is what the overall picture of it looks like. I linked all the pieces to it below. You can customize, create however you want to. It was pretty affordable. You can use any old chair from your house. You don't have to have, you know, a chair that matches. This was all, you know, added over time. I didn't do this like in a weekend. So, and by no means am I trying to brag or throw in anyone's face. I just know at least a few of you were interested in kind of seeing a little bit behind the scenes. Okay, say goodbye, Icy. Oh, he's sleeping. We'll see you guys as soon as my face isn't red anymore. I love you guys. Bye.